Welcome to Coder Mastery, your destination for mastering Microsoft Excel pivot tables. In this channel, we'll explore the ins and outs of pivot tables, one of Excel's most powerful features for data analysis and visualization. Whether you're a beginner or looking to level up your skills, our tutorials will guide you through the process of creating, customizing, and analyzing data with pivot tables. Get ready to transform your data into valuable insights and make informed decisions like a pro. Subscribe now and embark on your journey to becoming a pivot table expert with Coder Mastery. Thank you for joining us on this coding adventure at Coder Mastery. Keep coding, keep learning, and remember, the possibilities are endless. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tutorials. Until next time, happy coding!